Hello, this is Keyboard Crazy 9. I'm going to show you what kind of keyboard this is. This is a Casio CTK 810 grey keyboard with USB touch and response recorder. Now I will show you now some of those things. So just alright, so so this top, we'll start at the top. Mic volume, that is for if you've got a microphone, which up there it says mic, so you can put the microphone in. Then the karaoke is for the this bit, song bank, which is up here somewhere. There it is. And it's all of these. I will show you which songs it'll play. It'll come out very big, but so we'll just press this, go up. We'll do Beyond the Sea. Let's turn this down. So it kind of shows you what to do, how to play it. So you can sing to that. Plus, over here, where it says scoring 1, 2 and 3, and practice phrase, that's to play it yourself. So let's just press the practice phase. No, this is number 1. So it's kind of like that. Then you have, let's see, you've got the numbers up here. So all these, it's like you can pick from all of these. So rhythms, tones, all of these songs on the karaoke song bank. The piano bank, which is also down there, and I think that's it. Let's go back to the rhythms and the tones. All you've got to do here is up here, rhythms, tones. Click on that, and you can just, change it. So like that. Here next to the volume is full range chord, fingered, Casio chord and normal. These so I think the Casio chord means that down here will change. Last time it did for me. I put on a song and it changed completely. No, it's still the same. So yeah, I don't really use them. I just use normal. And then on here is if you're gonna record, which is up there, song memory. The key light, which I don't know if it's on. Yeah, it's on. See, it lights up. You can turn that off by just pressing key light, and it'll be off for all of them. And then you can up here see it says record as well. Function, don't really use that, and whatever that is, chorus thingy, don't use that. So this bit if you've got maybe I think a recording, you can press start and stop. I've forgotten how to use these ones again. I don't know. Let me just see. Yeah, I think last time I had, yeah, this is it. Go to rhythm, pick one, play it, and you just repeat. Then there's like all these, so you can change it. See, I pressed ending. See, like that. Yeah, I only got this. I think this is 2 years old, maybe a little bit older. So yeah, it's very good. I will give you the name again now. It is Casio CTK 810 grey keyboard with a USB touch and response recorder. So hopefully you found this video interesting. Please go and buy one because they're really good. When I got it, I thought it wouldn't do much, you know, just play songs, but you do much more than that. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe or comment. Likes, favourites, etc. are all appreciated. So thank you for watching. Bye.